Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Today we're going to take a look at the DEERC DE28. It's a remote control helicopter. This has 3.5 channels. It's 14 plus on the age. Altitude hold. 2 different shells and modular style battery. Alright, let's open this up and see what we have inside here. Apologize for all the background noise. Try not to put in the music anymore too much. A lot of people are getting aggravated with it. So here we go. We got nice looking helicopter. Very nice. It's coaxial. Dual blades there. We have a little working motor back here to make it go forward and backward. 2.4 gigahertz remote, 3.7 volt battery for the remote, or for the helicopter. This maybe looks like a couple double A's or a couple triple A's. We have the user manual. Battery precautions. Spare blade. One spare blade. 3.7 volt battery. Can't see the milliamps on there. Let's see in a second. Looks like 500 milliamp hours on the battery. You get a spare tail prop, charging cable, USB, that just snaps on here, just like so. Plug it into your wall adapter, screwdriver, an extra canopy. Explorer DEERC. Thank you DEERC for sponsoring this video. Appreciate that. Let's see what we need for batteries and the remote control. Looks like 3 AAAs. One moment, please. There we go. 3 AAAs. Spin them up. Let's check this out. Oh, there's the on button. Yay, it works. Okay, put my cover back on. We'll install the battery in the helicopter and see if it'll start up for us. What we have here. Looks like auto takeoff and land. You have a speed button and an LED button there, looks like. And these are probably, I imagine, to adjust the trim. We'll see. Let's find out. Remove all of this stuff. Yeah, it goes in just like that with the writing down. Snap it in there. And hit the power on. It's a little slider switch. You get the lights, you know you're on. Okay, so we're going to power on the remote, the slider underneath. Oops. There's the speed button. Looks like it has 3 speeds. Take off and land. LED light there. Yep, if you long press the button, the speed button, it'll shut off the LED lights. Long press it turns it back on. Short press to change the speeds. Alright, let's see if we can. We can spin up the motors manually. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, let me take off my glasses so I can see. That don't sound right, does it? That's how it works for me. Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all doing well. So up to start the motors and then back up to take off. Oops. Alright, let's see. Then with the auto takeoff, you just hit the auto takeoff button here. Let's see what happens. Okay, the auto takeoff. Very cool. Alright, that's nice. Very cool little 3.5 channel RC helicopter, like DRC. Alright, let me give you guys just a little bit more flight video here in the living room. 1 second.